There we go. Here's the Walker Turner jointer. Pretty nice. I'm gonna restore it. Machine tools for wood and metal. I like that old style logo. It's nice. Let's see who's down here. It needs some TLC, but it's gonna be a damn fine machine. They make these little joiner blade spindles that have indexable carbide inserts, and man, those things are cool. A company called Bird, BYRD, Shelix, SHELIX makes them. And man, those are sexy, but it set me back about, I'd say for a 6-inch, probably about $700-800. But that carbide is nice. This is a high-speed steel, it looks like, and I'm actually missing the other two. It's a three blade, which is nice. It's better than two. Some of them I've seen are two. Pulley system here. There's the motor. I can clean it off and everything. Look at this. This is interesting. Magnetic circuit breaker. This circuit breaker is designed to afford maximum protection to the motor and prevent injury due to continuous overloading. The action of the breaker is wholly magnetic. A time delay is provided, which allows the motor to carry its maximum overload for a few seconds, after which the motor is automatically disconnected from the line. The breaker may be reset immediately. 110 volts, 60 cycles, and 13.5 amps. And there's another cool logo. Walker Turner Company Incorporated. It's nice. I love this old stuff. I'm all about these vintage tools. Some like fabric wound wire. I'll probably replace that. There's the motor. It's the original motor. I got it from this guy who was a mechanic. I guess he put the linkable pulley on it. I heard these are somehow better. I'm not sure. Stabilizes